If you're tired of working hard but getting nowhere and you dream of real freedom, it's time to plant a new kind of seed. Not outside, but right here in your life. Let's talk about growing your own financial forest. Here's the truth. Most people spend their whole lives trading time for money. Clock in, clock out, and still anxious about the next paycheck. But what if there's another way? Picture this. Instead of chasing every dollar, you plant a seed, an idea, a system, and you water it every day. At first nothing happens. It's slow, maybe even discouraging. But you keep going. You show up, rain or shine, and nurture that seed. And then, one day it sprouts. Suddenly you're not just surviving, you're thriving. Your hard work starts to pay you back month after month. Here's the best part, you don't need to be a tech genius or have a ton of money to start. Ordinary people, just like you, are already doing this. They learned a simple system, took that first step, and now their seeds are feeding their families. I've put together a free training called Tiny Little Fortunes. It's step-by-step, easy to follow, and it shows you exactly how to plant your first seed online. Thousands have already started, now it's your turn. So, are you ready to stop trading your time for money? Are you ready to plant a seed that could feed your family for years to come? Click the link below. Let's grow your fortune together.